Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Joeboy here, featuring CKAY, Wetin Be Love. Alright, so Joeboy, we had him before with a song called Cubana, and yes, let's take a look at this one. And before we go on here, please feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Why not? So we will have a lot of new songs here, perhaps a little old goodies sometimes, and you can also wish for songs here on this channel. So give it a try and subscribe and try that for a while at least, and see what you think about this channel and give me some support as well. So yes, let's move on with this Wetin Be Love. So we have a couple chords to go over here. It's just bar chords, so we don't need any capo for this one. So let's take a look at the chords now with the D sharp minor. That's the starting chord here. We have a bar on the 6th fret. You bar all strings except for the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 8 on D, 8 on G, and 7th on the B string. There you have the D sharp minor. Let's go down to the B. You bar the same strings now on the 2nd fret, all right? And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. Let's go back a little bit to the C sharp. It's exactly the same chord, but you just move the bar 2 frets towards your body like this. And you stay there with the bar on the 4th fret, same strings barred, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 6 on B. And from this position, you need to bar all strings here on the 4th fret to get the next chord, the G sharp minor. So bar all strings on 4th fret, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. There you have the G sharp minor. All right, so that's the chord progression: D, B, C, and G. All right, let's take a note, look at the notes here we need to bring up for these actual chords. So on the D, 6 on A, and you answer on 7th B. So these are 2 notes. Then you move to the B, and you have the 2nd A string, and you answer on the 4th B. For C, you have the 4th A string, and you answer on the 6th B. And for G sharp, you have the 4th fret E string, and you answer on the 4th G. So just the pickings here, just the notes. One round will be. All right, and that's what's going on. Now we'll combine this with a strumming pattern, and within that strumming pattern, we'll try to also bring up the notes. First, how goes the strumming pattern? If you go to the D chord here, the D minor, one round will be down, up, clap, down. That's one round, all right? So down, and then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. Okay, so a couple rounds of it to get the feeling for it. Right? And with this chord progression, you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, and now you have the notes you want to highlight for this, and the first note here, the bass note, is the first down. Okay, so for instance, on the D, you had the 6th fret A string. That's the bass note. You do that on the first down. And then you go up, clap, somewhere in between here in the mid strings or so. I mean, you don't have to be that technical about it, but anyway, up, clap, and then the answering note comes in the right timing for the final down. Okay, so down, up clap, down. There you have the answering note. In this case, the 7th B string. So for D minor, for instance, it will be, and for B, on the 4th fret B string. For C, 6th B string there, and for G, 4th G string, this one. So slowly. Alright, so that's how you handle Joeboy's Wetin Be Love. So give it a try, guys. Until next time, play tuned.